The views expressed in this video are neither of Indian Railways nor of RDSO. It is for education purpose only, and engineering judgment and actual codes should be referred. In this video, we will discuss the new correction slip issued in IRS B1, that is Indian Railways specification for steel fabrication. Let us know in comment section if you want a video on any particular topic related with bridges. So coming back to the topic, it is to mention that RDSO has recently issued a new correction slip in IRS B1 wide ACS number 12. This basically outlines the requirements for using different grades of structural steel under IS 2062 standards in railway bridges and other critical structures. To begin with, earlier grade designation of E250 was linked with quality of steel like quality A, B0, BR, and C. Now it is delinked. Then comes the description of various qualities of steel and their use cases. IS 2062, quality A is to be used for footover bridges and other structures where the loading is not critical. This type of steel is not suitable for use in railway and ROB girders. IS 2062, quality B0, is used for welded or riveted or bolted girders in railway loading applications where the service temperature does not fall below 0 degrees Celsius. For all practical purposes, this is the most commonly used steel quality across India, where temperature does not fall below 0 degrees Celsius. IS 2062. Quality C is specifically used for sub-zero temperature areas where welded or riveted or bolted girders are subjected to railway loading. Quality C steel ensures impact properties at -20 degrees Celsius. Next section talks about alternative steel options in case of non-availability of certain type of steel. If quality B0 or C is not available, then steel conforming to IS 2062 quality BR may be permitted, but this is subject to the permission of the CAO Chief Administrative Officer or CBE Chief Bridge Engineer. The difference between quality B0 and BR lies in the impact properties. The difference in impact testing for qualities A, B0, BR, and C as per the IS 2062 code, is the temperature at which the impact test is required. For quality A, no impact test is required. For quality BR, an impact test is optional and done at room temperature if required. The suffix R represents room temperature. For quality B0, an impact test is mandatory at 0 degrees Celsius. The suffix 0 represents 0 degrees Celsius. For quality C, an impact test is mandatory at -20 degrees Celsius. Impact testing is a vital process that determines a material's toughness, resilience, and durability when it's subjected to cyclic loadings and impact like railway loading. Now, if quality BR is also not available steel conforming to IS 2062, quality A may be used on a case-by-case basis, provided the unavailability of BR is established and approved. But quality A is used only for non-critical members not subjected to critical loading as discussed above. Technically earlier, only two grades of steel were mentioned. One was E250 and other was E410. Technically, there was no mention of steel grades in between. Now, in the latest correction slip, the steel from grade E250 to grade E410 have also been covered by using the words structural steel of higher grades up to grade designation E410. As per IS 2062 in between E250 and E410, there are grades of E275, E300, and E350. However, as per new note introduced, the use of high-strength steel is not permitted unless approval is given by Railway Board. High-strength steel refers to steel of grades greater than E250. Basically, the background of this may be related with the fact that while designing the railway bridge components, we don't get any benefit of using higher grades when the member section design is totally governed by fatigue provisions. The permissible stresses taken in fatigue are independent of grades of steel. So practically, when the section is getting decided by fatigue, permissible stresses, which are quite low in comparison to basic permissible stresses, there is no use of higher-grade steel for the bridge components which are governed by fatigue. This correction slip also introduces new pro forma for WPQR, that is Welder Procedure Qualification Record. This has been taken from latest IS code. At last, the correction slip provides for a correction in Figure 1 of Appendix 2. This dimension L was not mentioned earlier, so this was all about the new correction slip number 12 in IRS B1. If you are interested in a particular bridge topic, please mention in comments. Subscribe All About Bridges YouTube channel for more such content.